Hola chicos, today we have a Casablanca Columbia II in antique brass. This one has a K63 motor and is from 1979. It does not have a canopy, unfortunately. However, if it did, it would be the bell style. Has a little bit of patina buildup right there. But apart from a few locations of that, it is in pretty good shape. And the stickers over here. There's the reverse switch. So now I'll go ahead and start this fan up. It's currently set to as slow as it can go. And I did not adjust the trim pot on this fan yet. I might, in order to make the slow end of the speeds a little bit slower, but I might leave it as is. This ceiling fan came to me without a canopy or blade brackets. Blade brackets, however, I did have some spares lying around I was able to use. And a canopy, I could have thrown a canopy from one of my bell canopy antique brass Casablancas on here, but I did not. Just didn't feel like, pulling one of those out to borrow its canopy. So this is minimum speed on the cardboard box variable speed control. Again, I might adjust the trim pot to make it a little slower later on, but I might leave it as is. We'll turn it up a bit. So this fan, again, does have a little bit of green patina buildup on a few places, but otherwise the antique brass is in pretty good shape. The bearings do make a little bit of noise when the fan is on the faster speeds, but it's mostly drowned out by the 60 cycle hum and the general buzz from the motor. And one other thing about this fan that I need to look into fixing. Turn it up a bit more. One other thing about this fan that I need to look into is that when the fan runs on full speed, the switch housing vibrates, causing a very loud and obnoxious vibration noise. And you'll see what I mean when we get up to high speed. I did try to fix it before making this video, however, I didn't really know how to, and deadlines and legal contracts and the sort, so we're going to make a video of the fan with the problem still intact, but hopefully it should be resolved sooner or later. Turn it up some more. And it does start to sway back and forth a little bit at this point. The blades are generally pretty well balanced, but with this style of mounting, it does still go back and forth a bit. And turn it up a bit more. And we'll turn it up some more. And the canopy might start to vibrate at this point. I can feel it vibrating just a little bit. So if you're wearing headphones, I recommend you turn down your volume because it's going to be pretty noisy. But anyways, that's almost full speed right there. Yep, and there it goes. This is full speed. Yep. And you probably heard that right there, and I'm holding it so it doesn't vibrate and freaking disturb my neighbors 3 blocks over. But I can let go of it here real quick for a second. Yeah, that's pretty obnoxious, isn't it? So yeah, I gotta work into fixing that. But otherwise, the fan is quite powerful and does a good job, as all K63 Casablancas do. And there you go. This is a K63 Casablanca Columbia II in antique brass.